I'm today in front of XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So as can you see, I just set up my fingerprint here to our power key button on the right side of the device, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we will see how fast this unlock method is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works really fast. I just simple touch the power key. I'm not pressing, I'm just simply do this and we can unlock the device less than in half of second. So as I think and I see that this is really the good result for for fingerprint unlock method, and I just suggest you to try this unlock method on your Poco device. But be sure that you that the power key and your fingers that they are clean, just to unlock your device successfully, like in my case just in less than in 1/2 second. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.